Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I did a video November 30th, actually, about copywriting and getting copyright strikes on your videos. And I just want to do a follow-up video, as I said in that video, so I'm going to put that video down in the description. It basically, let me show you what's going on or what happened here. So in that video, I did a series of Halloween reviews for movies at the time. Now, if you go back to the video, you're going to see all these copyright strikes, and I'm going to show you, they're going to look pretty much like this. Let me go to the Christmas videos that I just did. So they're going to look like this: copyright claim, copyright claim, copyright claim, blah, 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 blah. So if we go back to the Halloween ones, as you see, those are all gone. So I put in disputes for all those claims. All those claims were released. So just as a heads up, that doesn't mean just because you put them in, that's going to happen. I mean, each circumstance is going to be different. So be careful with your channel, because if the dispute continues and you do get hit, it's going to hurt your channel. I did commentary for these. I knew 99.9% that I wasn't going to get hit for them. So here's the emails just to show you. Even the Christmas ones already that I put in are being released. So I'll just show you a couple here. It says right here, good news, after reviewing your dispute, DreamWorks TV has decided to release your copyright claim on your YouTube video. And I'll show you one more. Okay, good news, after reviewing your dispute, watch W4TC. I don't even know what that is. So these are just a bunch of emails I got through the whole period. You can see the Halloween ones, released, and so on. Released, some I've looked at, some I haven't. So if you follow what I did in the original video, and you feel very confident that you're not damaging anyone's intellectual property, you're not doing any kind of copywriting. Again, all I'm doing is commentary over video that I'm posting. Then go ahead and do this. Let's to reaffirm what I did before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a couple look at these. So here's the last one I did for Christmas. Again, I did 7 videos for 7 different streaming services, reviewing films that are on those streaming services. So on this particular one, we're going to see details on this one. Okay, so we got a couple. Fat Man, which is a Mel Gibson movie, and Santa Claus the movie. So video cannot be monetized. So this is what you're going to start with. You're going to get video cannot be monetized. You can either trim the segment if you want, or you can dispute. Now I'm going to dispute both these because it's the same situation as in Halloween. All I'm doing is commentary. So it's pretty easy for the first dispute. All right, so you're going to do this. I'm going to do copyright exception as fair use. I'm going to continue. Read all this. I've read it a gazillion times. I've had a lot of these. So, and then I'm just going to put commentary, and I'm actually going to go into one of my videos real quick here. I'm just going to grab the disclaimer that's in the video. They're on all my movie videos. So if you need it, just go to my movie videos, and I'll put it down in the description on this one, and I'm just going to paste it in there. All right. And then I understand all this. My video does not infringe. I don't believe it does. I understand that the claimant will be able to review my video. That's fine. That's what it's up there for. I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of your YouTube account. It's not a fraudulent dispute. I'm actually, as I said before, and we'll submit this. And we'll close. Right. And as I said before, I mean, I'm doing reviews for these films. I'm not reviewing any film that I dislike. They're all good reviews, so I'm aiming people that might not necessarily know about these movies towards their property. So I don't see why anyone would have a problem with that. I haven't had an issue so far. That doesn't mean you're not going to. Please be careful with your channel. That's all I have to say on that. So let's go ahead and do another one just to show you again. And then I'll show you one where the dispute was countered, and I have to put in something different, which I have in my original video, but I'll show you again, just for example. And I'll do this, and we'll submit. All right, so let's get into the appeals. So here's one that I put in. They have 30 days to answer to your dispute, and they'll either release it or they will counter it, which is the case in this one. So, all right. So they said dispute rejected. I'm going to appeal this. All right. I understand this. All right. This is where you got to kind of give them more information. So, and I could give a rat's ass if you know my address. Come visit. Don't come visit. Streets. I said last time send me Christmas cards, but it's after Christmas now, so don't send me anything. And, oops, I don't live there. And we got to go all the way to you. You got what I need. You say you just a friend. You say you just a friend, but baby, you. All right, so you're gonna put in your contact information. Continue. Okay, does your use signify transform the work originally, or does it serve the same purpose? I'll put in something. I'm not gonna put verbatim. You can see my other video for that. I'll just put in something. This video is for commentary reasons only. I might put in, let's see, what is the nature of the commentary work? This is a review of films in the video, something to that effect. You might even jazz it up, say these are positive reviews, and so on and so forth. How much the original content do you use? Used is the trailer without the audio, which is what I did. Trailer without audio. Is your video a substitute of the original content? Video is only for comments. I basically give the same answers on every single one. Video is only commentary over trailer. Is a review of the film. Is there any other information the copyright owner should know? So what I do on this one is I go back and I do copy and paste this again. And say, this is a review and commentary. This is a review and commentary under fair use. Fair use. And I might say these are positive reviews, which they are under fair use. Sorry, I'm thinking and talking at the same time and typing, which is all dangerous to do at once. Fair use. These are all positive. These are all positive reviews to point people to films. Jesus Christ, people to films they may not know exist. Something to that effect. I jazz it up like that. They make it very complimentary and try to put these videos in a positive light, and there's really no reason why they shouldn't be. So you go through all this, and I'm going to jazz that up a little bit. Again, if you want the full thing that I did, you just watch the video below. I'm going to sign it. I'm going to submit it. And then they have another 30 days to respond to that. And it does go all the way. You can keep going until legality. Do these copyright holders want to go to court to get an injunction to stop me? A little YouTuber that has 56 subscribers doesn't monetize any of his videos because he can't. Do they want to go that far into this process? I doubt it. So just be careful with your channel. I don't want to see a hit. I don't want to see a dinged. Don't say, Chris, you told me to do this. No, I'm not telling you to do anything. This is what I've done to get these disputes resolved. So that's up to you if you want to do this or not. I don't want to see your channel come down. I don't want to see my channel come down, but I'm pretty confident that it's not. And that's it for this video, gals and guys. I just had a little house cleaning, some videos I wanted to get out of the way before I start new content for 2022. And this was the last one that I wanted to do. So I hope this helped you, gave you an idea what you need to do. If there's copyright issues going on with your videos, just make sure that you believe you're in the right and you're not harming anyone's intellectual property. And that's all I can say to you. I appreciate you. Please subscribe, like, and share. I really want to grow the channel in 2022. I always want to grow the channel, right? And I appreciate you. I think I said I appreciate you. Well, I appreciate you twice then. And I will talk to you later. And from there, I will just say goodbye.